So you need to rotate your tires by the corporate stance for Volkswagen, Audi, and Mini Cooper every 10,000 miles. If you're pushing that limit farther than that, you can run into problems with that rotation causing problems with tire separation from them not being rotated frequently enough. So the stance is you can do more damage by rotating if you wait too long. So if you want more helpful hints, check out us on the website. Also give us a ring at 916-259-3931 to have us help you directly. Thank you very much.